Simply, just tell me, just think and tell me, are you a helicopter parent? Well, you must be wondering what is a helicopter parent. Okay, so I'll give you some tips. Let's first, recognize the signs. Now, do you find yourself constantly monitoring your child's every move? Ask yourself, am I stepping before they even try? Or do I solve their problem instead of guiding them? Well, if the answer is yes, then you know who you are. So please remember that over involvement can sometimes hold them back instead of helping them. Now, moving further, we have to always remember that we have to encourage independence. So instead of always stepping in, try letting them make age appropriate decisions, then allowing them to handle small challenges on their own. Also remember, teaching problem solving instead of providing instant snap solutions. If you are doing that, then definitely you are helping your child grow more confident, more independent. Now here what is important is to support, not to control. Now, would you want someone managing your every decision? Probably not. Neither at work nor at home. And same goes for the child. So, instead of micromanaging, offer guidance and let them navigate their world. And it is very important that they start early here. Also, remember that trust builds responsibility and constant control creates dependence. And I don't think any of you would like your child to become overly dependent on you. Also, it's very important that we let them learn from their experience. Mistakes are stepping stones to growth, and I'm sure you must have experienced this in your own life. So encourage them to take challenges even if they fail. Also, let them learn from their experience rather than avoiding risk. And remember that they have to understand that the success comes from perseverance, not from parental intervention. Now, this is something that you have to understand, right? Then you have to model a balanced parenting thing. So how can you do that? So please keep this thing in mind always, that children learn from what they see. So show them. Now what shall they see? How to handle setbacks with patience. Now you have to do that for them. You must be facing setbacks, but then it is how that you handle it is what they learn. Also, they should understand from you as adults that making mistakes is okay. Remember, making mistakes is okay. And it's okay. I mean, after making mistakes, you can correct them. You can set them right. So try doing that. Also, please understand that they should learn the value of responsibility and independence, and that they will learn only when they see you doing so. So, protecting them is natural. As parents, we all do that. But overing too much can stunt their growth. So keep this in mind and give them space to explore, problem solve and thrive. So join the thought pool for more mindful parenting insights. So let's step back so that they can move forward. Until we meet again, take care, stay in good health.